And to stop COVID-19 and prevent new outbreak of zoonotic diseases, there is need for governments across the world involved in animal trade to close down wildlife markets. Environmental organizations, Friends of the Earth and Friends of the Sea said this ban has become necessary because as more habit destruction occurs during hunt of animals to trading, disease transfer from animals to humans also increases.
Wildlife habitats are vital to human survival and agricultural production, but these natural places and the animals and plants that inhabit them face increasing pressure and threat from human activities.
We need to raise awareness about pangolins. These scales are those which are threatening the most. Traditional medicine in countries like China, Vietnam, considers them as a potential cure for a long list of illnesses and diseases, such as arthritis, lactation problems in pregnant women, even cancer. And this is what led and is driving this illegal trade in their scales.
According to scientists, 6 out of every 10 infectious diseases in people are zoonotic. To check the trend and halt this increasing disease transfer from animals to humans, environmental organizations, Friend of the Earth and Friend of the Sea have added their voice to the call for a ban on wildlife markets and illegal trade of endangered species, especially pangolins.
It's very important to make people aware and African citizens aware about the crisis of pangolins, their threats, understand that eating pangolins cannot be considered as a status symbol, but rather as a symbol of ignorance about the threats which are impacting these populations.
Zoonotic outbreaks before. We've had SARS, we've had Ebola. These are zoonotic because of what we're doing with the wildlife. You can't continue to do what we're doing against nature and destroy the very, very habitat that they rely upon and bring them into a situation whereby they will now be transmitting viruses amongst themselves, which they've never done before.
We carelessly kill wild animals and take them to wherever we think that we want, just for fun. Because I don't see any serious reason to go after wild animals when we have domestic animals for food. So the system should be such that we should start thinking post-COVID-19. We should correct our thought patterns.
The organizations say they are working to send signatures to governments and the World Health Organization to ask them to close down wildlife markets in all countries of the world if the war against COVID-19 pandemic is to be won. Nkoli Omaudu, AIT News, Lagos.